How to set up the AntaRx-Aux with the AntaRx-S3 Smart Antenna. Hello everyone, my name is Linda, and in today's video I will walk you through on how to set up the AntaRx auxiliary with the AntaRx-S3 Smart Antenna. Whether it's to configure it for precise GNSS positioning or taking it a step further for 2D attitude. Let's dive in. The AntaRx-S3 Smart Antenna is a highly advanced GNSS solution. Its IP69K rating signifies the highest level of protection, making it ideal for applications where durability and environmental resilience are critical. The AntaRx-S3 Smart Antenna offers a wide range of setup options, supporting both single and dual antenna configuration. By incorporating the AntaRx-Aux antenna, which is used as an auxiliary antenna, the system is capable of delivering a 2D GNSS attitude in addition to position. Depending on the setup, you will either get heading and pitch angles or heading and roll angles. For optimum performance, ensure the total cable attenuation between the AntaRx-S3 and the auxiliary antenna does not exceed 10 dB with a frequency range of 1.1 GHz to 1.6 GHz. In the default configuration, both antennas are aligned along the vehicle's longitudinal axis with the AntaRx-S3 positioned behind the AntaRx-Aux. In cases where the AntaRx-S3 is positioned in the front while the AntaRx-Aux is positioned in the rear, a 180-degree heading offset will need to be compensated for within the receiver's configuration settings. This can be done via the web UI by navigating to the GNSS page, attitude offset, and enter the heading offset values in degrees. Additionally, if there is a high disparity between the antennas, pitch offset compensation will also be required to maintain precise attitude calculation. This can be done via the web UI by navigating to the GNSS page, attitude offset, and enter the pitch offset values in degrees. An alternative configuration option could be to position the antennas perpendicular to the vehicle's longitudinal axis. In this case, the AntaRx-Aux can be mounted either to the left or right of the AntaRx-S3. For a 90-degree right side placement, you can compensate for the heading offset by entering a 90-degree under GNSS, attitude offset in the web UI, or by using the command set attitude offset 90. Similarly, for a 90-degree left side placement, a heading offset of -90 degrees is required, which can be entered in the web UI or applied via the command set attitude offset -90. When both antennas are installed along the vehicle's longitudinal axis, the AntaRx-S3 will deliver not only the GNSS PVT solution but also the heading and pitch angles. Conversely, if the auxiliary antenna is mounted to either the left or the right side of the AntaRx-S3 Smart Antenna, the receiver will provide heading and roll angles along the GNSS PVT solution. These versatile configurations allow for different installation, ensuring optimum GNSS performance and accurate attitude information. No matter the complexity and challenges of your environment, you can trust the AntaRx-S3 Smart Antenna to deliver performance and accuracy that you need. To explore more information and access detailed documentation, visit the support page on our official website. You will also find a variety of helpful articles in the knowledge base section. If you need to report technical issues, navigate to the Report a Problem page. For further technical assistance, you can click on the Request Information page. Thank you for watching.